Walter Elias Disney was an American motion picture and television producer and showman who was famous for creating cartoons like Mickey Mouse and as the creator of amusement parks like Disneyland and Disney World. Disney was born on December 5, 1901 in Chicago, Illinois. He spent most of his time in Marceline, Missouri, where he began drawing, painting, and selling pictures to neighbors and friends. In 1911, his family moved to Kansas City, where he developed a love for trains. Disney also worked with the railroad for his summer job and sold snacks and newspapers to the travelers. Disney attended McKinley High School in Chicago. He took drawing and photography classes and also contributed immensely to the school paper. At night, he took classes at the Art Institute of Chicago. At age 16, he dropped school to join the army but was rejected for being underage. He then joined the Red Cross Society and went to France to drive an ambulance. In 1919, Disney moved to Kansas City to pursue a career as a newspaper artist. Disney worked at the Kansas City Film Ad Company, where he made cutout animation-based commercials. Around this time, Disney decided to open up his animation business. He recruited Fred Harmon from his ad company as his first employee. Disney and Harmon signed a deal with the local Kansas City theater to screen their cartoons, Laugh-O-Grams. The cartoons became insanely popular and Disney bought his own studio, upon which he bestowed the same name. They also launched a 7-minute series of fairy tales with a combination of live action and animation, which they called Alice in Cartoonland. In 1923, however, the studio became bankrupt and burdened with debt. In 1923, Disney with his brother and a cartoonist moved to Hollywood and started the Walt Disney Studios. They created Alice cartoons, invented a character named Oswald, and also created Mickey Mouse and his friends. Flower and Trees, one of Disney's first colored cartoons, won an Oscar award in 1932. In 1941, a setback for the company occurred when Disney animators went on strike. Many of them resigned, and it took years for the company to recover. In 1925, Disney hired an ink and paint artist named Lillian Bounce. After a brief courtship, the couple married. Disney and Lillian Bounce had 2 children. Diane Disney Miller was the couple's only biological daughter, while Sharon Disney Lund was adopted by them. Disney's first successful film starring Mickey Mouse was a sound and music equipped animated short called Steamboat Willie. Disney himself did the voice for Mickey, who was drawn by his chief animator, Herb Iwerks. The cartoon was an instant sensation. Disney produced more than 100 featured films. The first full-length movie was Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. It earned an astounding $1.499 million in spite of the Great Depression and won 8 Oscars. Disney created hit television shows like The Zorro and The Davy Crockett, along with Mickey Mouse, that were extremely popular amongst children. In July 17, 1955, California, Disney invested $17 million in a theme park called Disneyland. In a very short span of time, the park increased its investment tenfold and was visited by tourists from around the world. Disney was diagnosed with lung cancer in 1966 and died on December 15 at the age of 65.